Hi, I'm Abby, and this is Glenn. We are currently on a mission to visit 30 countries by the age of 30. Join us today for our first ever time in Butlins as we dine out, visit the Fairground, and enjoy some fantastic entertainment. Good morning. It is currently day 2 here at Butlins. So we arrived yesterday about dinner time. So we just quickly got into our apartment and headed out for the entertainment. So we saw Jay and Joss, which were like comedy magicians last night, and then we went to see a Queen tribute act. So that was really good. Morning 2, just now we are about to go and see Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Panto, so I've been really looking forward to that, and when we get back we'll give you a tour of our lovely apartment here. We're just back from the Panto. What an amazing show, such high production value. We really enjoyed it. So as promised, we'll give you our grand tour of our standard apartment here. So we've got just our little space over here to hang our coats and things. We've got an ironing board here as well, and we've got a little clothes horse in there. We've got a big comfortable bed here. We've got our table here that we've got all our electronics sprawled out all over just now. Over here we've got our kitchen area. So we've got a good oven here, a hobs, and we've got all our kind of bowls, plates, cutlery, anything like that we would need. We've also got some tea bags, coffees, milks, things like that. This little kit was given to you wrapped up in here. We've made use of that already yesterday, but you get your dish towel, washing up cloth, sponge here, and some washing up liquid as well, which is great. We also get given a couple of bin bags as well. We've got a toaster here, and our bin just down at the bottom there. So as we come this way, got a nice big mirror here, and into our bathroom. Really clean in here when we arrive. So we've got our nice big bath, toilet sink, got makeup and toothbrushes out there at the top. You don't get any towels with the apartment, just a hand towel you get, so just remember to bring your own with you when you come. And we'll just show you in the spare room as well. So the spare room just in here. So it's really spacious in here. We've kind of just used it as a bit of a dressing room and to store all our bags and clothes and things. But you've also got tons of storage space to the back there as well. So if you do have any children with you, there's tons of room for them. And I think that's about it. So behind us is the Splash Waterworld water park that they've got here, so it's really big, full of loads of different flumes, water slides, so much fun. So there's family rides and then there's the kind of bigger, more adrenaline rides. We absolutely love it in there. So all dressed to head out for the evening, and little white boots there. So tonight our plan is Abba Tribute Act first, and then Michael Bublé Tribute Act. So that should be a fun night.
Rival stage, Abba Rival.
So we've just come back to our apartment. We've got about an hour between our two shows, so Glenn's just in the background doing some editing there, and I'm going to make us some dinner. Just going to make a little pasta here. Time for pasta. Time to head back out.
It's Bublé time!
Good morning, it is day 3. So we're just having a quick cup of tea and then we're going to head out to the fairground.
So on the way back from the fairground, we stopped off at Scoop and got ourselves a wee ice cream before lunch. So we got 2 flavours, a 2 scoop tub. We got the cookies and cream on the top, and on the bottom we got peanutella. So they both sounded really good. So that cookies and cream is really good. Ooh, nice. Got a bit of cookie in there in a second, very crunchy. And then the peanutella. If you like peanut butter, you'll like it. It's got a good peanutty flavour. Comes through with the chocolate. Yeah, both really good flavours of ice cream.
Next on the agenda, we're heading to a little puppet show that's on in the main entertainment venue, the Skyline Pavilion.
Make a way, very good and good again. And again, Oyster Bay. Are you ready, Coach?
So as you can see, we are now back from the puppet show. It was really good. Obviously aimed at kind of younger children and families, but we still really enjoyed it. So they had loads of different puppets and they were singing and dancing, so really good show. So we've just quickly come back, quick change of clothes, and we're having some dinner. After dinner tonight, we are going to head out to a couple of shows. So the first show we're going to see is Animals vs Dinosaurs. So it's kind of an educational show about dinosaurs, but it's through music and comedy, where you'll learn lots of information. So for example, did you know that snails have more teeth than a T-Rex? So hopefully we'll learn more interesting facts like that. And our second show for this evening is called Musicals Rock. So it's the kind of theatre production which incorporates songs from lots of different musicals, so definitely my sort of thing. So we're really looking forward to that.
to prevent any further extinction of these wonderful animals. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to be a giraffe. Warning. Warning. You have activated the release mechanism to the T-Rex compound.
We're so tired, but we have had the best night, haven't we?
Yeah, it was really good.
The entertainment at Butlins is truly phenomenal. The production value is just so good. The Animals versus Dinosaurs show, what did you think of that, Glenn?
I thought it was really good. It was a lot more educational than I thought it would be. I thought it was just gonna be like silly dinosaurs and animals fighting each other, but but no, it was quite educational about saving the planet and all that stuff. It was really good.
Yeah. And then Musicals Rock was as you would expect. They pulled it off really well. The cast were excellent, and all the songs and dances were great, weren't they?
Yeah, it was good.
So we'll see you tomorrow for our final full day here at Butlins. Good morning, it is now day 4 here at Butlins. So if you've watched any of our previous videos, you'll know that we absolutely love a good arcade. And we've heard that Butlins has a really good one. So we're going to head over to check it out now and we'll bring you along.
So that's just back from lunch. It's really tasty. The Christmas music was quite loud in there, so we couldn't record in there, or record our voice at least. Yeah, the food was really good. Quite like a Nando's, like the spice. It was all, yeah, definitely would go back there. And yeah, now we're got ourselves ready. Well, Abby's got hers underneath, but got my trunks on. Yeah, we're just gonna go head out swimming now. So we'll see you when you're done.
Have been particularly good. Some sparkles for you and me. Spread the sparkles over the tree.
Magic really works. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas, everyone.
So we've been swimming Then we went to see the Skyline Snowstorm show, which was so nice. It was so festive. So obviously it is Christmas Wonderland week here at Butlins. So that really got us kind of in the festive spirit, which was nice. And now we've got food, so we're so excited. We weren't that hungry after going out for lunch today. Well, at least I wasn't. I don't know about that. So we've just got some chips and curry sauce here. And then for dessert there was a little stall in the Skyline where we got pancakes. So we got pancake with sugar and lemon, and that came with a bottle of juice as well. So everything all together for the chips and the pancake was about £10, so not bad at all. I like how they're wrapped in the newspaper, that's quite nice. A large, not too bad.
Oh.
The curry sauce did look a wee bit gloopy, but I'm sure it'll still be nice. It's really nice.
Great.
So we're finally gonna try our pancake.
Do you want a knife?
I'll just break a wee bit off. It's so nice. It's warm, loads of sugar, the lemon juice is nice. Yeah, it's lovely. So it's the final evening. We're just about to go. So our first show tonight is Strictly Latino, so that's a kind of Spanish dancing show. And then after that we've got an Sheeran Tribute singer. So let's go.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. But come give me that, oh, oh, oh. So me quédate, bailemos, She got me in the choice not any longer. We're the ones who's getting stronger. Don't try to get hungry. Everybody, gather around now. Let your body feel the beat. If you want to do the conga, you got to listen to the beat. To the conga beat, to the conga beat, to the conga beat. 2, 3, clap. Lost pieces on my this is me go. Maybe I'm just fine. I can feel the paradise all over land. My bad habits see the late night sail.
So that's just back from the entertainment tonight. It's a really good show. Both the Strictly Latino and the Ed Sheeran. Really enjoyed it. Just been doing some packing. Got most of my stuff, just what we need for tonight. Abby's pretty much the same.
Yep.
Sad to be leaving in the morning. What have you thought of Butlins so far?
It's been amazing. We absolutely love Butlins. It's totally our kind of thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good.
So tomorrow morning we're checking out at 10 o'clock and we need to be off site for about 11 o'clock. So not much else. We'll just get up, get a quick breakfast and get away. So we'll probably just end the video here.
Yes, thanks. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.